The question as to what has impeded the Southeastern Economic Bloc is not difficult to answer, because both at national level first, we have no law on the management of economic blocs. We have managed to achieve, and today it has been reported, that out of the economic blocs we have in the country, Southeastern Economic Bloc at the very least now has an Act of Parliament. That's why we have suggested that those areas that we have found that need amendment, we have made proposals to the county assemblies for amendment. Those who understand public finance management would know that for you to put in a coin into any joint project, you will need a law, you will need approval, you will need public participation, so that then you can conform to Public Finance Management Act and also the regulations. 3, we have not harmonized all our plans. Makueni, Kitui, and Machakos have developed their own CIDPs. So the purpose of what the strategy we have mentioned to you today and the presentation made by the consultant today was to identify those unique things that we can start with for the 3 counties to implement. And they have cited examples which I can give you. Example number 1, it is illegal to harvest sand in Makueni, but there is no law in Machakos for the same. So people are harvesting sand in Makueni and then selling it in Machakos. Question of agriculture. Without a proper network of how we are going to price, how we are going to market, people have exploited the farmers of this region on just mangoes alone by making sure that you cannot get one single price in Kitui, Machakos, and Makueni. So the agricultural teams will set a price so that anybody coming to this region will know the price of a mango. The cess charged in Kitui, cess charged in Machakos, cess charged in Makueni is not the same. So what we have been doing the whole of today, and why it has taken so long, is to find a formula where, when you are in Kitui, when you are in Machakos, and when you are in Makueni, and you are doing business of agriculture, there is predictability, we can have investors, etc., etc. The statement reads about infrastructure. To come to Makueni, Governor Malombe had to drive to Machakos, with road linkage across Thwake River and the upcoming bridge across Thwake on the road that is leading from Wekilili across to Mabendeni and Wote. It will be easy to do business. So we are now the people who are growing this baby. This baby was born when we were not here. Now this baby is being fed, this baby is being given food, and soon this baby is going to start walking and laughing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.